Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Ayush Debnath, and I am a student of B.Tech CSE from the third semester of Graphical University, Bhimtal. So today I'll be presenting a presentation on my Moocs, and for my Moocs, I have choose the course Python Flask Bootcamp, and I did this course on Udemy. It was a 20-hour long course. It was a very great course. So let's see what this course is about. So it is a course specially based on Python and Flask. So Flask is a Python framework which can be used to make different websites and all. So various websites and especially functional websites, and especially it is linked to backend. So talking about the course structure overview, first of all they gave a crash course on HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. After that they have taught us Python, in which they taught us classes, functions, decorators, and many things. After that, they moved on to Flux and taught us the basic fundamentals of Flux, by Flux how we can create a simple website. And after that, they moved on the advanced concepts of Flux, like you can say, for example, user authentication, then using REST APIs, accepting payments with the Stripe API, using Stripe API and Flux, and and even deployment of the project using Google Cloud. So what was my objective? Okay. So the objective of taking this course, or the primary goal of this course, is to empower learners with essential skills and knowledge required to proficiently develop websites with using Flask and Python. The course sets out to establish a robust and fundamental in the front-end technologies, ensuring participants to gain mastery in HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap 4. Okay, what do I aim to achieve? Upon completing this course, participants can aim to achieve proficiency in foundational front-end skills like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, comprehensive understanding of Python 3, and fluency in Flask basics, and then with advanced Flask features like blueprints, user integration, REST APIs, then you can say adding payment methods like Stripe, etc. Okay, so let's move ahead. So what were the now key things that were covered in this project? So let us discuss that. So it at first they've taught us, they've given a crash course on HTML, CSS. In HTML they taught us about tables, then anchor tag, how to make lists and all, how to add navbinds, how to do styling and all, using, and how to use Bootstrap to make very nice websites, very nice website easily. After that they came to Python. They taught us, as I said, that they have taught us functions, classes, and then you can say decorators, how to use decorators in Flux. And after that, they move to Flux basis, how we can use Flux to make a basic website, just like you can say a Hello World program. After that, they came to the concept of how to use templates and starting using Flux. After that, they came to some advanced Flux features like blueprints, user authentication. There is a library called user author which can be used in Flask for this user authentication thing. After that, they had made us build a project which was actually a puppy blog website in which we can post blogs and all. Post blog, you can even update those blogs, or you can say read those blogs also. It was a way, and how to uh, integrate those websites with database so that we can keep a record of whatever we are doing in the website. Then they have taught us REST APIs and accepting payments with Stripe. Now moving ahead, what learning so the overall experience was great, and Instructor deeply made us understand all the topics, and the course was perfectly organized and according to the needs of the you can say basic concepts are also covered. Those challenges that I faced were about the packages, because instead of the instructor was using packages which were outdated. I was using the packages which were the newer versions, so sometimes I had problems with syntax and all. So that was a that I sorted out using different modes like ChatGPT and Stack Overflow. So moving ahead now. Talking about assignments, the assignments are really great to understand what we learned throughout the whole module. The assignments are mainly based on implementing what we have learned from the project, and which helped us to build our own practical understanding. And my approach towards learning, I learned how to implement Python class and make creative functional sites. I always kept a simple approach towards solving the assignments, going according to the ways the instructor taught. Now, this is the certificate I got after completion of my project. So it says that Python and Flask Bootcamp creating websites using Flask. You can see the instructor's name, Jose Portilia. He's a very great teacher. Yeah. You can even search his other courses. So I can use this certificate to showcase my skills in different interviews or any other you can say the resume. Now, impact on skills. So the course helped me gain skills in making creative and functional websites. Until just knowing the basics of HTML, after completion of this course, I can make real-life functional websites using Python and Flask. I can also integrate it with database, and I can also integrate payment methods with it, so I can make quite good websites with it. It also helped me to upskill my Python knowledge. Now, about the personal reflection it had on me, the project cultivates a strong sense of problem solving and creativity, providing hands-on experience in creating fully functional websites. The practical application, especially through that development on a social network project, fosters a deep understanding of how to translate the theoretical concepts into tangible real-world solutions. The process not only enhances technical skills but also nurtures a creative mindset as learners gain the ability to envision and implement their ideas in a digital space. This course not only imparts technical skills but also fosters personal growth by promoting creativity, problem solving, and self-reliance and adaptability. Okay, moving to the last slide of this, that the recommendation slide. So I highly recommend this course because this is a very great course. It since I was just knowing just the basics of HTML, but after doing this course, I can really create some nice websites. And this is a it was a very nice course. I would say that you must also watch it if you want to make really good website and you are a beginner and you know some basics of HTML and CSS. Now it's a very great course for you. It has benefited me very much, and very much in many aspects of my life and my career. So that's it for now. Thank you.